Tomorrow morning, you wake up. The sky looks the same. The streets look normal, but one tiny thing is missing. Every bee on Earth is gone. No warning, no bodies, no sound, just gone. So here is the real question. If all bees disappeared tomorrow, would humans actually survive? Today, I will show you what science says would really happen. Most people think bees make honey. That is not their real job. Their real job is pollination. When a bee visits a flower, it moves pollen between plants. That single movement allows plants to form fruit, seeds, and the next generation of crops. Without that tiny transfer, plants fail silently. More than 1/3 of the food you eat depends on animal pollination. Apples, almonds, blueberries, avocados, coffee, chocolate. Remove bees, and these foods do not disappear instantly. They slowly collapse from the inside. Lower yields, smaller fruits, higher failure rates, and rising prices. In the first growing season without bees, farmers would try to compensate. More fertilizer, more artificial pollination, more labor, but machines cannot replace insects. Human hand pollination already exists, and it is painfully slow and extremely expensive. Most farms simply could not afford it. Some people say, "We still have wheat, rice, and corn." That is true. Those crops are mostly wind-pollinated. But human nutrition is not built only on calories. It is built on diversity, vitamins, micronutrients, and plant variety. Without insect-pollinated crops, human diets become poorer. Even if people are not starving yet. Before supermarkets change, nature collapses first. Wild plants depend on pollinators too. When flowering plants fail, insects lose food. Birds lose insects. Small mammals lose seeds, and entire food chains weaken quietly. Bee loss is not an agricultural problem. It is an ecosystem problem. Here is something most people never hear. Plants hold soil together. They slow erosion. They store carbon. When pollinated plants decline, plant cover shrinks, soil washes away faster, and ecosystems lose their ability to store carbon. Bee loss quietly accelerates climate damage. Bees are not disappearing because of one reason. It is a combination. Pesticides, habitat loss, monoculture farming, parasites, climate stress. Together, they slowly push bee populations past recovery. This is not a future threat. It is happening now. Scientists are working on robotic pollinators, drones, artificial pollen systems, and controlled greenhouse solutions. But replacing billions of insects across forests, farms, and wild ecosystems is not realistic. Technology can help. It cannot replace nature at planetary scale. If bees disappeared tomorrow, food would not vanish instantly, but food would become more expensive, less diverse, and less secure. Poor regions would be hit first and hardest. Bee loss becomes a human inequality problem before it becomes a global survival problem. Bees are not saving nature. Nature is using bees to survive. They are not small helpers. They are biological infrastructure. And the real danger is not that bees could disappear tomorrow. The real danger is that they are disappearing slowly, while we still think we have time.